Next one we can see has already appeared in multiple versions and has appeared with widespread acclaim, the CABOX series.
With an overall length being 8.12 inches and the blade length being 3.36 inches and having a drop point design, it offers an excellent cutting experience. The blade features D2 steel and is paired with a vibrant, eye-catching G10 handle.
This version has the 154 cm blade and the Mkuruti wood handle. This popular design, a really natural vibe with this sleek modern look. If you're looking for a fixed blade outdoor version, the CABOX model is a really good knife for you. It comes with a black sheath and it also has a ring carry, making it super useful companion whether you're hiking or camping. It's just a really good knife for that purpose. So this is the cheapest model and it comes out at $59. So it's a really good budget.
Additionally, if you're interested in this model featuring a transparent PEI handle with a Nitro V blade, please note that this will be available across all channels on November 21st. The 3 Amazon exclusive models will be available for sale in mid-November. Please keep an eye on our official social media accounts for the specific date.